Collaborations. Those are important things that many people are overlooking because it seems like way too much of a hassle. Well, it's actually not, and you should not be overlooking that, no matter it's a faceless channel or not. And it is extremely important. So let's talk about how you can actually collaborate. First, let's start why you should be collaborating. You see, it all ties with an audiences that you have on your channel, or other audiences that you want on your channel. If you're growing just organically, you are purely relying on YouTube's algorithm to understand who is the perfect audience for your video, and you also rely on how it will be delivered to your perfect audience. And it's not always very efficient, and especially it's not fast. What you can do instead is contact other people who are approximately the same size as you. Doesn't matter, face or faceless channels really does not matter. They just need to be in a similar topic that you are and have similar audiences that you have, and just ask them to create the video series together or collaborate in a single video together. Why you need to do that? Well, because now you're mixing and matching your audiences. Your audience will see this other creator and possibly will subscribe to them, and other creators' audience will see you and possibly subscribe to you. Or at least they will have a chance to get to know you and decide whether they like you or not. And trust me, this makes miracles. You will grow much faster, at least in the beginning, if you are going to collaborate with the channels for your size and your niche. And this is especially true if you're a larger channel. You will basically be doubling your reach every single time you collaborate with other creators. And this stacks up with more creators you collaborate with. You'll also create a connection with those other creators, allowing you to exchange ideas and create something amazing for your channels. And again, it doesn't matter whether it's a face channel or faceless one. You really don't need to show your face in those channels. So how you can do that? What you need to do to start? First things first, you define those creators. As I said in one of the previous videos, it's not as difficult as you might think, because you will simply search the videos of the similar topic, and that's it. And then you will see other creators in a similar topic, or at least you will search for the videos. And you don't need to search for the same videos as you have. You might just search for the videos that you have ideas for and you want to create, and see if other people actually have created a similar thing or not. And if you use tools like vidIQ, you will be able to see those channel sizes and their subscriber numbers right from the search window, meaning that when you see the video, you'll see the creator's name, you will also see their subscriber numbers. So you will search for different topics and find a creator that has a similar amount of subscribers as you have. Ideally, they should have a little bit less than you have. Now, it doesn't make any sense, right? Why you would want someone that is actually smaller than you? Well, that's because of psychology. In their eyes, if they will collaborate with you because you are a larger channel than they are, it will be more beneficial for them. But in reality, the channel size difference of 10 to 20% does not really make any big difference. It will be practically the same thing for both of you, but you will still be in a little bit dominant position, and you can dictate rules a little bit more. So this way, it's a win-win for both of you. They think that they're getting the better part of the deal, or you're getting an easy collaboration. And no, you won't be losing from this, trust me, because you can be doing this with multiple different channels. So okay, you found a channel that is a little bit smaller than you, around 80 to 90% of your size. How you can contact them? Well, that's very easy part. Almost every single YouTube channel's about section features a contact email, or they feature their social media, or they will feature their social media in their YouTube channel description. And especially if you are both smaller creators, I mean smallish, like around 10,000 subscribers or less, especially if it's less, they will probably be paying very close attention to their emails or their social media if you will contact them. So they will probably not miss you. What you need to do? Well, you basically tell them that you like their channel, your channels have very similar topic, and you want to collaborate by uploading one video on your channel or one video on another channel, and then all you need to do is just talk around different topics and discuss what type of videos that you can create together. It's not very difficult, especially if you understand your niche perfectly. And again, you don't really need to have a face channel. Faceless channels can do exactly the same collaborations. But now let's talk about some legal and ethical considerations of those videos. You see, when you upload the video on other person's channel, or whether you'll be featured on other person's channel, usually that means that they can do whatever they want with this video. And the same is with you. But you should not be doing whatever you want with this video. You should not be taking it down, or they should not be taking it down before time, and you should not be tempering it or you should not be negative towards each other. Ethically, you are working together, and you should respect each other's work and each other's self. Otherwise, what's the point in collaboration? You need to have ethical considerations with that. Okay, let's say that everything is fine. You contacted each other, you collaborated, and then what? Well, you will be doing it some more. Collaborating on a single video usually is not the best idea. You can collaborate on multiple different videos and see if it will help both of you. And if it will not, if you see that you created videos together, and with each subsequent videos, you're getting less and less cross promotions, you're gonna say that you can take a pause, and then you can say that you will return to this collaboration later. I mean, you will continue to create newer videos later. You will not abandon the existing collaboration. And after that, you will move on to other channels. You will collaborate with other channels. Eventually, a lot of channels will know you and would want to contact with you and would want to create videos with you because it will be beneficial for everyone. Now, you need to also understand one thing. Do not make every video collaboration. You can contact 10 different YouTubers and every single one of them might want to collab with you. Doesn't mean that you actually should be doing that. And I mean, you shouldn't be doing only that. Because if you will be collaborating with the different YouTubers every single time, those YouTubers will get less and less engagement from you. Because yeah, creators would not want to jump from one channel to another every single time over and over and over again. They just do not like that. It's uncomfortable. It's too much work, it's too much hassle, and they will just not be doing that. So just have a very tame amount of collaborations on your channel. Let's say in the best case scenario, every third video should be a collab. No more than that. Not every second video, and especially not every video. But if you'll find a perfect balance, you will also grow perfectly. So these are all about collaborations. And in the next video, we're going to be talking about scaling your channel for a long-term success using a little bit of InVideo AI. So I'm going to see you in the next lecture. Take care.